See, I told you so. Figured I'd give you a taste before I shut it down. Okay, now that's working. Oh man, I have a severe bandwidth problem again. Well, that looks pretty. Yuck. Happy New Year, Larry. That's right, Shubis. The world is coming to an end. I guess, yeah. That's funny. An S9 noise level. I like that. That's very good. I didn't even think of that one. Touche. All right, I'm going to turn it off now. Oh. The sweet sound of my rocket stove, that I can deal with. So yeah, I figured I'd give you guys a taste of what it's like to be in the same room with the S9 running. S9 noise level. That's too good. I like that. Rocket maintenance time? No. Got 27 in Florida. What? 27 degrees? It's 14 degrees outside right now. It was minus 8 degrees this morning when we woke up. This morning or yesterday morning? I don't know. I forget. It's all a blur. I think it was this morning. Minus 8. It was pretty cold. See, screen is frozen. Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. What do we do about that? This one? Okay. This is starting to irritate me. Yeah, I know. It's because I had music playing in the background. That was kind of deliberate. I didn't really care. I don't really know what's going on with these cameras here. Something has changed in the operating system. the way it enumerates the cameras, and I just kind of have to start over, just wipe out all the saved settings in my Open Broadcaster software, and yeah, let me move this down here so that it looks like I'm looking at you. Right? Run a scan. You don't run scans on Linux computers. What are you talking about? I do have Clam AV running, but it never detected a single thing. Well, you know what? I'm not going to worry too much about it. Because I have work to do and I don't want to get distracted. So, with that in mind, let's see if I can get this thing to bring up my close-up cam. And there it is. Are you working again? Oh yeah. I've been working since July. I did not collect unemployment this last go around. When Fox 61 severed me unceremoniously, as they did, I was working again within 2 weeks. Prick bastards. What a cesspool that was. Too bad, you know? It had such potential. So, anyway. 2 and 3. Well, I mean, it wasn't Fox Network, it was the local Fox affiliate. They weren't always Fox. They were WTIC Channel 61. They were affiliated with long ago, they used to be affiliated with the WTIC AM 1080 Clear Channel Radio. And, of course, you know, acquisitions and mergers and all that horse shit. They were bought out by Tribune Media. Tribune also bought the Hartford Courant. And now they're being bought by Sinclair Broadcasting Network. And of course we throw a new general manager into the mix and a new news director, who is the Wicked Witch of the West. And you have a perfect storm, the perfect recipe for corporate politics and just employee abuse and all kinds of good stuff. So anyway, it's a new year. Alright, pin 4 to ground. Pin 7 to ground. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pin 7 goes to ground. Pin 4 goes to ground through 1K. Pin 5 goes to ground through, say, 0.001 microfarads capacitor. Alright, so I've got to get my experimental kit. Shubis is still not working. Got to get my ass in gear though. Why? Why, Shubis? Get your ass in gear for what? But that was the whole point. Does anybody remember why I needed to make a 3-phase signal generator? I can't even remember. That was the last project I had on this breadboard. And I forget why I even needed it. Couldn't have been that important, but it irritates me that I don't even remember why, because I put a lot of effort into it. Oh, wait a minute. Wow, that looks like crap. I'm really sorry, guys. I didn't realize that I wasn't giving you full screen. Time is wasting and I ain't getting any younger. Boatload of projects here. Shubis is going to go into no, Shubis is going to go into film documentaries, but he's a little slow out of the gate. Yuck, yuck. There's a hint, Shubis. 104. That is 0.1 microfarads. Here's 500 picofarads. 151, 150 picofarads. 0.01, no, don't want that. 0.05, definitely don't want that. Looks like I'm going to have to replenish the stock of capacitors in this kit that I've got here. Alright, we'll start with 500 picofarads. That looks like one of the options. So pin 5 to ground with 500 picofarads. Pin 6 to ground with 10K. And looks like I'm going to want to move this. Pin 8 goes where? Pin 8 to 12. Alright, so if I move this 2 spaces, one, two. I'll move this. And that. And that. And this can go here. And I've got pin 4 to ground through 1K. Yes. Pin 5 to ground through 500 picofarads. Yes. Pin 6 to ground through 10K. Alright, that's what this was all about. Pin 6 to ground. Through 10K. Pin, let's see, 13 and 14 are jumpered together. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And need a voltage divider. Let's see, so pin 14 to 2 and 3. Alright, so let's do this. Do it this way. Pin 14 goes there. I stick a jumper here. 10K to ground. Like so. We need 100 microfarads to ground. Actually, it doesn't need to be 100, but I'll follow the recipe. There we go. $100 microfarads to ground. That gets jumpered like that. And then we have a 0.1 microfarads between pin 4 and 13. Shoot. So basically what I'm doing here is I decided this afternoon, instead of pondering what ifs, just build the damn thing and start playing with values. Okay. Where are we here? Pics are done. Pics are online? Really? Oh, can I see him, please? Bob's houses? Who the hell is Bob? Let's see here. 2017 Peru and Bolivia videos in YouTube Shubis account. So which folder should I be looking in? All of them. Okay. And who the hell is Bob? Wow. Never missed a post from Shubis. Sign up with Yahoo or sign in. Yahoo this. Interesting metro system they got. Secret agent man, okay. If I ask any more questions, you'll have to kill me, so I'll just leave it be. The Sacred Valley. Just arrived and getting settled in at the hotel where we'll be staying for a few days. Where we'll be staying. Did you have a travel companion? Or am I asking too many questions? 30 of us on tour. Oh, wow. All right, so this is what I'm looking at, guys. Who's the guy with the hat and the tassels there? And who's the hot blonde? Or is she not as hot as she looks? Inca Kola. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Wow. JD the girl is Hugh Newman's girlfriend. Hugh Newman's girlfriend, okay. Whoever that is. This is cool. What kind of camera did you take these pictures with? Brian Forrester. Osmo. Oh, really? Wow. That's impressive. I'm just going to scan through these quick. I'm going to definitely look at these closer later on. Because I got works to do. Check out Brian Forrester for much better informative videos than I can make. Okay. And there's our shrine to the oil gods. Those are cool. Wow. Hey, taxi. Huh. Wow. That's neat. So what's the deal with this landscape here, with the stepped, the steps? What is the deal with that? Is this some sort of agriculture? Inca Terrace farming. Yeah, okay. Agriculture. Neat. Archaeological sites. Huh. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, this is me. I'm touching the wall. Okay. Yeah, this is me too. I'm touching the wall. Okay, so what is special about this wall that everybody's touching? I don't get it. Those giant rocks are very important. Yeah? No, I figured that was not you. I know what you look like. You're a lot uglier than that. Yeah, I know. Look how they fit. That's pretty amazing. Oh, rub the belly. Yeah. Oh, right there. Oh, yeah. Thanks for sharing this, shoes. This is really cool. I'm definitely going to come back and look at this more closely later. Wow, look at that. Oh, there's Jay again. Yo, yo, yo. It was this big. Oh, man, you should have seen it. Wow. All right. My battery, is it? I don't think so. I think you're imagining things. My rocket stove is out of fuel. Of course, it's 70 degrees in here, so that's good enough. All right, I got to get back to work here. Getting a lot of audio noise. Really? All right, well, I'll swap batteries anyway. Okay, we'll try this. Let me know if I have any more audio noise. Anyhow, let me change camera angles here again. There. Better. Okay. Just because the red light isn't on my wireless transmitter doesn't mean that the battery isn't low. So the weatherman is predicting 6 inches of snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And those numbers could go up. Oh, not better. What? No better. Not better. Now it is quiet. Well, it should be quiet. You're not supposed to have background noise. That's the whole point. I don't get it. I don't know what you're trying to say, I guess. Could just be multipath. So anyway, where's Mr. Lorenz tonight? Kind of expected him to wander in. Is Russ live tonight? I know he was packing last night. All right. Pin 14. 13 and 14 are tied together. Pin 14 goes to the 10K. Pin 14 also needs to go to pin 4. Through a 0.1 microfarad capacitor. I can do that with this. .1 microfarads. Russ is off the air until move is done. Oh, really? That means he took his cameras down. Oh well. I guess all you guys got is me. Sorry. I'll try to fill the void. There we go, 0.001, that's the one I wanted. Alright. Now I need a 0.1. 104. Oh, sure, why not? Do it this way. that to there. And pin 4 to there. I used to have a whole kit. A whole kit of jumper leads. All different lengths, predefined, that plugged right into this. Yeah, I'm glad to be in the lab, Heidnik. I am. It's good to be back. Yeah. Now, if I could just find that kit of jumpers. I don't think I threw it away. Ha! Here it is. Check this out. This is a little plastic pouch, and in this little plastic pouch are all these little jumpers, all predefined lengths that are just perfect for the breadboard. Because I used to do a lot of breadboarding. And instead of using these random loops of wire, I found it very convenient to have all of these pre-cut pieces of what were clippings from resistor and capacitor leads. Cat 5, yeah. Cat 5. Come on, man. Cat 5 is 24 gauge, and that's what this stuff is. Yeah, it works good. But all right, pin 4. So I need a jumper that spans 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think this one will do. Is that it? Nope. Next size up. And of course I'm not going to have one, so I'll need to make one. Oh wait, here it is. Here it is. Oops, damn. Bingo. Okay, so I've got pin 14 through a 0.1 capacitor, jumpers to there, and that takes care of that. So I've got a box. Here. 1K to ground. 10K to ground. The other side of that 10K goes to there. And then to there. Okay. That works. Alright, so Now I need a 2.2K to pin 2 from there. This is where I run into trouble. Pin 2. Oh, yeah, that works out better. Cool. So that'll give me to pin 1. Just a heads up for you guys, I might not be around tomorrow night because I got word this afternoon that a friend of mine, former friend of mine, passed away over the weekend. And the wake is tomorrow night. So I might not be in the best of moods to come on the air. Pin 2 to pin 3. Pin 2 to pin 3. 680K and 560K and 0.01. Do I have a 560K? 560. 1.2 meg, 2.2 megs, 470. That's close. 668K. 560. Look at that. That's not going to work though. Shit. Change to 0.001. Why would I do that? Again, plug some numbers in here and just play with it and see what it does. Yeah. The guy, I first met him at the Connecticut State Police. He was the Motorola on-site rep. And he had been with Motorola for decades. And Motorola, being the upstanding company that they are, unceremoniously severed him. And he was quite depressed the last time I saw him at the Meriden, Connecticut Amateur Radio Hamfest. It was only a couple of months ago. It was the last time I saw him. And he said, hey Mark, he says, you know, if you know anybody who's looking to hire, I'm still available. I was like, oh shit, really? He said, yeah, you know, being 63 and unemployed is being 63 and unemployed. I was like, damn, yeah, I'm sorry, I will keep my ears open for you. And I almost wonder if he didn't commit suicide. I don't know. Good guy, though. Really a smart guy. Motorola was really stupid. But then, you know, so many of us love Motorola so much that we have this saying, you can always buy better, but you can't pay more. And that's what got Motorola into trouble in the first place. Alright, change to 0.001. Now, I'm going to stick with the original plan and use a 0.01 first, see what happens. What time is it? It's only 9:30? Wow. I got plenty of time here, don't I? I was going to say I didn't think I was making very good progress tonight, but in reality, I kind of am. That's good. I'm happy about that. 0.001. Alright, I'm going to stick a .005 in there. What's this? 680 picofarads, 180, 180, 12. Jesus. .103 is not .1. .103 is .01. Oh, yeah. .01. That's what I want. That's what I'm looking for, yes. Yes. Geez, I'm kind of sad. Kind of sad that we won't see any more rust until the move is done. I feel somewhat responsible to carry the load here, and I don't feel I'm worthy. Quite yet. Alright, that takes care of that. So, I've got all of this area of the circuit done. Pin 7 goes to ground, pin 15 needs to go to ground. Pin 15. Okay, that's easy. Where's Adirondacks? I expected to see him a little bit more active in the chat room tonight. Or is he just snoozing? Or is everyone else in Russ's chat room, and I'm just not part of the party? I'm gonna have to take a look here. Oops, an error has occurred. You will have to wait 2 seconds to log in again. Sorry. Wow, that was interesting. Victoria says she's live, by the way. Oh, really? Okay. do it this way.
You know what? I'm going to have to set my live stream to restart every hour.
Playing with the printer.
It's crashing on me. I don't know what's going on with it, so I am going to have to configure the live stream to restart every hour, just to be on the safe side. Can you help?
No, I can't.
This software thinks the bed is huge and it's not. It seems to think that it's a lot bigger than what it really is. According to this little X50 thing down here, it says it's in the middle of the bed. Well, it's not. It's right near the end of the bed. It's right near the end, so how the hell can it be there?
Two to three, pin 2, pin 2. Shit.
What the hell is wrong with it? It's in the middle now, and now the X is saying it's on the edge.
$2.2K. What's my range?
Hang on, we'll go to the bedroom.
Okay. I'm turning off that live stream. Yep. $2.2K. Alright, let's see what I got up my sleeve here. $22 ohms. 22 ohms, 2.7K, 2.7. That might be close enough. I'll pull one of these out just in case. 2.4. 2.2. That's even more common. 2.2. Red, red, red. Used to be common. Ugh. Here we go, 2.4. Ding, ding, ding. Red, yellow, red. And that goes from pin 2 to the voltage divider, pin 2. Perfect. Alright, so pin 2 connects to the 0.01, the 680K, and the 2.4. That's correct. Right, 10 and 12. Okay, that's connected. All right. $16 goes to ground. Really? Huh. All right. So 15 and 16 go to ground. What is 16? Let's see here. Oh. Comparator number 2. Or error amplifier number 2. So if 15 and 16 go to ground, that means I'm not doing any current sensing, which is okay for now, but I will be doing current sensing later. 14 connects to the 10K and the 0.01. $14 and $13. Yep, good. 14 and 13 are tied together. Why? Let's see. 14 is the 5-volt reference. 13 is the output mode control. Alright. That also makes sense. You guys are awfully quiet. Are you still awake? Did I put you to sleep? I'm sure I probably did. Pin 1. Wow. Pin 1. I need to break that out somehow. Pin 1 is the voltage reference. Yep. Put you to sleep. I don't blame you. But I will hold it against you. Oh boy. Let's see here. Pin 1. Pin 1. Heidnick's awake. I can always depend on Heidnick. So there's pin 1. Pin 1 needs to go to a voltage adjustment potentiometer. $103. That's 10K. Perfect. Just what I need. And that side of the 10K goes to ground. Well, let's see. Which side goes to ground? Hold on a second. Let's see. If I turn it this way, I get lower voltage. If I turn it this way, I get higher voltage. And it's arbitrary. Pick one. Excuse me. He must have not got notification. But he's in our chat room. He's in this one. Eight. All right, so I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the pulse width modulator chip up for emitter follower configuration. I'm going to take the two collectors and tie them to VCC. And compare the phase of the waveforms. So, let's see, collector 1 is pin 8, and collector 2 is pin 11, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so 11 is easy. Nine, 10, 11. What is pin 10? Pin 10 needs to go to ground? Oh no. No. Pin 10 is the emitter 2. Alright, yeah. So pin 8 also needs to go. Yep. That's easy too. This is why I like to have all these predefined, preformed jumpers, because it makes breadboarding so much easier. And it looks a lot neater too when you look at it. Right? So much of the circuit right here on the breadboard is everything from here over on the schematic diagram. All breadboarded. And ready to test on the oscilloscope. The only thing you have to watch out for and that you need to account for sometimes, depending on the bandwidth of the project that you're testing, is that in between each of these rows there is 4.7 picofarads of coupling capacitance, just by virtue of the terminals that are inside the breadboard. Sometimes that makes a difference, other times it doesn't. Got to be careful. Alright, I think that's it for tonight. Very good progress. Very, very good progress. Has been used a lot. It has. Yes, it has. This breadboard has been with me, no joke, no exaggeration, for decades. Multiple decades. I've had this board probably since I was a teen. Maybe 20s, early 20s. I don't think so though. I think I've had it longer than that. I don't know if I mentioned this to the herd or not. If I've repeated myself, please tell me. But I would like to make a movie recommendation. And I don't often make a movie recommendation because I have a great disdain for the movie industry. But I watched a movie the other night that I found not only entertaining but very thought-provoking, and I'm going to suggest it to the herd tonight so that others who see this video later on might give it consideration. The movie is called Amelia 2.0, and it deals with humanity and what is human and what defines a human being. And there are far-reaching implications that are touched upon in the movie that go way beyond even what the movie discusses. So if anybody would care to watch that movie and then engage in a intellectual conversation about the implications of what it means to copy a human being, I think it could be fun. We could have an interesting conversation. So anyway, with that, I think I'm going to call it a night. Thank you all for joining me. I had fun. Got a lot done tonight. And I hope to get more done. Well, tomorrow night is kind of out of the question. That's a wash. What's tomorrow? What's today? I don't even know what today is. Let's see. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. So Thursday. Yeah, maybe Thursday night. We could engage in a conversation. Anyway. Good night, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Hope you had fun. I did. Peace.